going to do a craft today. You want to tell them what kind of craft?
We're going to do a bird haunted house. You can use it as a birdhouse, or you could make it as a decoration.
Right. So we are going to use ours as a decoration, but what we have already done prior to the video is we got a wooden birdhouse. This is a birdhouse. I know it looks like a haunted house, huh? And we painted it black. That's all we did. We just painted it black. And then we got some spider webs and spiders from the dollar store.
Spider
Just
rings.
$1.
Yeah, $1.
And we got these cool stickers. They also had at the dollar store. They're wooden stickers, and there's ghosts and bats and jack-o'-lanterns. And we painted those as well to put on our haunted house and give it a little bit more decoration.
If you don't want to put them on your house, you don't have to.
Nope, you don't. You could just do the spider webs and spiders, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but this is a very budget-friendly craft. The paint you can get for $1.
And it's permanent.
Yeah. Yes, you can get, what is
But
it
it's
called?
not permanent on you. It's only permanent on something else. If you wipe it off while it's still wet, you're fine.
Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so anyways, we used a permanent paint. You can use a washable paint if you're going to keep it inside, but you just want to make sure that you don't get it wet. So I suggest that you probably use a permanent paint, which you can get for $1 or $2 at any craft store.
Yeah.
We also got these for $1 each as well, and then the stickers for $1. So between, and you only really need one spider web too. So this could be a super cheap project that you do, and it's under $10. And it can be done all in one sitting if you want, or to save time if you don't have a lot of time to sit down and do a whole craft at once, plus the paint has to dry. You can do it over a few days if you'd like. So we painted this morning, went to a birthday party, made some cookies, did some other fun stuff, and now we're coming back to decorate. So would you like to begin decorating?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I kind of think we should do the spider webs first.
Well, if we do the spider webs first, we might have trouble getting the stickers on.
Yeah.
So maybe we should put the stickers on first? Yeah? Okay. I think we should put a ghost. Should the ghost be coming out of the door or out of the window? Ooh, maybe the ghost should come out of the window.
Maybe the ghost should come out of here.
Come out of the window? Okay.
Yeah, and then one comes out of here, and then
We don't
one
have
comes
to use
out
all of
the
them.
door.
We do not have to use all of them. That's one thing. They're still
I
kinda
think we
wet.
should do the one coming out the door.
Well, for that one, we'll have to glue it on, so maybe we can do that later. But for now, let's do one coming out of the window right here. Ooh, I like that. And then should we put a jack-o'-lantern on the porch? I mean, that's where they go, right?
Yeah.
We might have to glue these stickers on, but that's okay. We'll glue them on later. We've got a jack-o'-lantern on our porch. All right. Let's see. We've got our ghost and our jack-o'-lantern added and give it a little extra spook. Now you ready for the spider webs?
Yeah. Let's do the white one first.
The white webs? Okay, we might not need the black ones. We might just use the white ones.
Yeah. I wonder how many of white ones there is.
This spider web could probably cover our entire living room if we wanted it to. We probably only need a tiny bit, although I'm not sure how to get a tiny bit out, so I guess we'll figure that out.
Yeah, I guess we'll figure that out.
Let's not just keep pulling it. Hold on. Hold on, please.
Yeah, it's kind of good. If you're struggling, you can just use scissors.
Yeah, we might have to grab the scissors.
Here.
Oh my goodness.
I can't believe spiders can make as much of this web. Ugh.
This isn't real spider webs. Hold on, kid.
Got one spider now, which is the dopey spider.
Okay. to him. He's stuck to my finger. Ah!
Oh no, one's climbing on me.
Oh no. Okay, let's figure out how we're going to get some of this web off. I think we could maybe just cut some and hopefully we don't make a crazy mess.
Yeah. Oh, we just cut it.
Hold on. No, you got to spread it out so it looks realistic.
Yeah. So it looks real. Spread it down. You may have to spread it out. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
Yeah, we'll spread it out a little bit.
Now we want it to be spread it out. So it looks like sparkle and this one.
All right, what do you think?
Ooh, it looks spooky.
Should we show them? Our pumpkin's fall. We're going to have to glue these stickers on. All right. We have our finished haunted house. It was super easy and cheap to make. And did you have fun making it? I had lots of fun making it.
I kind of want to make more.
Yeah?
I
More
kinda
haunted
wanna-
houses?
I kind of want.
Hold on, we have some cut already. We'll make more haunted houses to go with it. Maybe we can have a haunted city. Yeah. All right, let's leave that
I
alone for
want to
now.
put some spell-ups inside.
Inside? Okay, we'll get to that. Let's say bye to them and let them go make their haunted houses.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you on the next video.
We hope you like this. If you're watching us on YouTube, awesome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe and like button so you see more of this and more people see it as well. And if you are not watching on YouTube, please follow us at Sweet Times with Tiff and Ash. Bye.